Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come on here today because I wanted to show you I've got a couple more mails with mail today. I got one from Georgia Dobberteen, and she is in the USA, and she sent me this, and she said she knew it would be late, but she wanted to send it to me so she could be in the book that I put together with the tags in it. Okay, right, so I've opened this here, so here we thank you very much so much for this, Georgia. That's really nice of you to send me this parcel. Ooh, nice tag. And a card. Oh, goody. I hope this is, we can see good enough. I'm having a bit of a change again today because I don't want to go in the room. We're supposed to be having some sort of polar blast, and it is 10 degrees here, which is 47, I think, for people who are on Fahrenheit. This is nice. Look at this. You made a butterfly with the... Oh, that's cool. Look at that. She made a butterfly. She's got a... It's like a butterfly, isn't it? You know, with a piece of nice cotton. And there's another butterfly, and this is really embossed. This is really nice, isn't it? We'll just have a look at this, Georgia. I've been a subby for several years, and I often see your comments there too, Georgia. That's very kind of you for all the nice things you say. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. That's a lovely card. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh. It's a flippy thing. Look at that. Oh, look. There's a part of Australia. I live on the other side, over this side of Australia. I live over there. Look at this. She's made a little tuck. That's neat. So she's got a piece of Australia here, but I'm on this bit that's not there. That's okay. This is part here is Western Australia, and I live in New South Wales, so I'm on the other side. We're on this coast. We're not actually on the coastline. We're back in the probably halfway in there somewhere. Anyway, all I know is it's cold today, and it was usually my shopping day, but I can't go now because it's too cold for me to go out there. Look at this. This has got a little tiny envelope. Oh, look, it opens up. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh, now, can I do that too with mine? Can I make that idea? Love that idea, Georgia. That is gorgeous, awesome, gorgeous, awesome. Look at this. Isn't this beaut? I love that. Oh, and these dear tiny little flowers. This is really beautiful. I love that tag. Wow. And then she's got pockets and flips, and there's things here. Oh, things in there. Things in here. Oh, this is really nice. This is like a, well, it is like a bag. It's a bag, probably, that she's made. Look at the decoration on it. I do love all this decoration. This is really nice. I love the bird. That is really pretty. Thank you. I do love this. Wow. And here's another, it's a map of other parts of the world. And like a stamp thing, or this here. And there's a bit of tape measure. There's a lot of attention to detail gone on to this, isn't there? Thank you. And you've stitched all around here. Very nice. Very nice stitching. Wow. And then there's a pocket. Oh, I love pockets with things in pockets. Look at this. A little book. Isn't that neat? Oh, look, you've got staples that you can staple your little book together. That's cool. Oh, mine wouldn't do that because it wouldn't reach. I have only one of those just ordinary ones that just staple the ends. And this looks like they're tiny little staples too. Look at that. I thought there was only sort of one size. It was a universal thing. Maybe not. Maybe they're just some you can get. Oh, look here, more. Wow. Oh, this is goodies. Look at this. Wow. I'll look in there in a minute. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like how you've done that. And a little bit extra you put on there. And this is a little booklet too. Oh, it is. Oh, look at something you can write on. Gee, I hope you can see this. I'm too worried about me looking at this. Sorry, everybody. Has this got an opening? No, but it's nice anyway, isn't it? That was just a cat jumped down off the windowsill. First the blind hit the wall, then the cat hits the floor. He did sort of... He's there pretending he's not interested in what I'm doing, but he really is, you know. He has a glass of water on the coffee table so he can get up there and have a drink. I know, we don't sort of use it for a coffee table, I use it for a crafting place. This is nice, isn't it? I do love those, I love mushrooms. These are beaut. I do love these. These are really, really nice, really beautiful pieces these are. Thank you very, very much for doing that for me. I really appreciate that. Look at that. I love that pocket. It's very, very sturdy too. You've got a few pages there, and then there's a bit of lace along the top, and then I've got a little bag here. I was making some little bags, or pockets this morning of some sort. There's a bag. Oh, it's full of stamps. Don't put them everywhere, Sonia. That's what I was thinking about. So I didn't mean to drag all them out. Look at this. Aren't they pretty? Love stamps. Oh dear. Yes, I do. I love stamps, putting stamps on things. And some birds. I've got some bird buttons. I've got some bird buttons, look. And bird buttons. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate that, Georgia. That's very kind of you. Very, very good crafting. Very good. Beautiful work you've got here. Beautiful work. So this one goes back in this pocket. Because here she's got the flip thing, you know, and there's a pocket there, and then one there, and there's one there. I do love these things. You've got secret pockets this way and that way. Hey, now this one come out of here. This one come out of here. Pussycat, you get down, please, now. He likes to have a look in my things. If I show him a couple of things, though, he usually goes away, but he probably won't do that today just because I'm doing something else. Very nice. Thank you very much. It's beautiful. Lovely work. Thank you very much, Georgia. I really appreciate that. And I hope everybody's having a good day, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, bye-bye.